Hi guys, welcome back. This is balancing of the accounts. So here are some terms that you should know and understand. Pause the video to read through it and then press play once more. Okay, so we'll be balancing off the accounts we made earlier on. So we're going to be adding the figures on the credit side to know how much we should be subtracting from the larger side, which is the debit side, to find the balance carried down figure, which is 1607. So the date will now be May 31st, which is the last day of the current month. The details balance carried down and the value $16,007. Sorry. Make sure it is in line with the other figures, and we're going to be drawing a bar line and writing the total amount once more. It should be the same amount on both sides, which is the whole purpose of balancing off accounts. You're going to double line it to indicate that there will be no more calculations, and then writing the balance BD figure on the opposite side, which is the left side, because this side is the side that has the larger amount of money. The balance BD and the balance CD figure is the same. Let me highlight that for you. It is the same. The balance CD is the last of the current month, which is May, and the balance BD is the first of the next month, June. We're going to be doing the same thing for the capital account. So there was only one transaction in the capital account, so we're going to be just basically placing the same figure on the other side. These accounts are much more easier to balance off because there are no required calculations. Double lining it and then writing the balance brought down on the opposite side. It is the same amount as the CD figure, which is $18,000. So we're going to balance the cash account. 305 minus 210 gives us $95. So we're going to be using that amount as the balance carried down figure, because that is the amount needed to balance off the account. We're going to be double lining the figures on both sides and then writing in the balance BD amount along with its details. Next account, we're going to be adding all the figures together. May 31st, balance carried down $2,507. Drawing our bar line, writing back the total figure and then double lining it. We're going to be doing the same thing once more for the sales account. June 1st, balance BD $11.72. Now the behind's account, as you see, is going to balance off itself because both sides are equal. So this account will not need any further calculations or any more details. Just double line it and move on. So bring back the same figure from the left to the right because there are no more transactions occurring. June 1st, balance BD 384. I hope you are understanding. So remember to put in your date 2020. So we're adding the larger side to know the total, and then subtracting the amount on the lesser side from the total, and then this will be our balance CD figure. Double line it and then place the BD amount and details. I hope that this video is not going too fast for you. Remember to comment, leave your comments below, and any question that you have, I will respond to it. So once again, we're going to be adding the figures on the larger side, 129, which will be the balance CD figure, totaling it and then double lining the figure, and afterwards you're going to be entering the balance brought down and its details. By the way, give this video a thumbs up right now and tap on that subscribe button immediately afterwards. So balance CD 323, total it, double line it, write the balance BD and its details on the opposite side. So this is our last account. Hope you're understanding it. If you're not, comment and I will find out a way for you to understand it better. So the next video will be on the trial balance account, and then it will continue in that order to balance sheet, etc. So here's an overview of everything with balance. Don't forget to subscribe.